Time now for your weather on the 4s.
Time now, let's check your weather on the 4s here with meteorologist Cesar Cornejo. It seems like we're on tap for another day of smoky skies out there, Cesar.
Brian, we really are. Unfortunately, the milky skies continue as we still see plenty of wildfire smoke making its way in towards parts of just Utah, eastern Nevada, all from the west. So again, we'll see heat continue to rise, smoky skies once again. Then we start to see a little bit more of gusty winds start to return for us for the closing of this week. And we'll see a smoky weekend possibly ahead. I'll have more in just a moment with the 7-day forecast. But as we take a look outside here in Deer Valley, live look pretty great. An amazing sunrise, but again, that's because of the smoke. We see the hues of orange, the layers of blue continue really for us as we have plenty of smoke still hanging around for us. So again, we see moderate smoke levels and over towards southern Utah on the light side, but we all are affected by this smoke still. So as we continue to look at satellite and radar, plenty of clockwise flow. Again, that high pressure system continues to meander over towards the east, sitting now probably closer over towards Arizona, and that's why we still see a more west-northwesterly flow for most of that cloud cover and some shower activity for parts of that California-Nevada border. But for us, we stay dry, and temperatures will be in the 90s by the time we get towards parts of the 2 o'clock hour. Look at that. We warm up quite fast today, again, because of all of that southwesterly flow, but unfortunately it does not improve our air quality the most. We'll expect to see today's air quality will range around the moderate for sensitive groups. It'll be unhealthy. That's where we see most of the Wasatch Fronts, and then as we look at southern Utah, also on the moderate side for both Iron and Washington County. We expect to see that this high pressure system, as it continues to meander, will keep some of that smoke really focused in. Unfortunately, because of the calm, clear conditions, we don't see much improvement. And as we look at FUTURECAST smoke, again, the southwesterly winds should help clear out some for eastern Nevada, but take a look at the plume right behind it. That's what's going to bring in much smokier skies for us as we see this cold front move through and create not just some light showers, but also that westerly zonal flow. And that's where we'll see going into Saturday, even though it'll be very clear, we see it will be more westerly winds, and as we see that smoke will blow in for us. Regional forecast, we're expecting to see that we'll have temperatures ranging around the triple digits and upper 90s for quite a few of us. St. George, the triple digit heat will stick around. We do cool down a little bit because of that cold front moving in by Friday, but still plenty of heat to go around. Also Wasatch Front, we're expecting to see a high temperature of 100 today, but then by Friday 87, so it does cool down significantly. And going into the weekend, again, that westerly flow will promote higher temperatures, but again, we'll see smoke still pouring in for us. And